13 people have been killed in heavy snowstorms in East China's Anhui province in the last 3 days, according to local officials. The worst snowstorms since 2008 have so far affected 1.06 million people in the province, state-run Xinhua news agency reported. The storms caused direct economic losses of February 1, 6 billion yuan, USD 190 million, and 790 million yuan, 122 million US dollars, of losses in agriculture. 9 cities including capital Hefei initiated emergency responses due to the snow. Besides Anhui, Henan, Hubei, Hunan, Jiangsu and Shanxi provinces have all suffered from heavy snow this week. For all the latest world news, download Indian Express app.